I'm now inside Toys R Us Tokyo, located at Sunshine City in Ikebukuro. Here you can find Mini GT on sale. I'm also delighted to find the Suzuki Jimny from BM Creations and also the Magic Purple GTR from Mini GT. Also come across a couple of majorette with a chewing gum from Kabaya. The Kabaya series is only for the Japanese market and I can't find a police car casting. This is definitely the highlight inside Toys R Us, a wide variety of Tomica inside a blister pack. You definitely can find the recent release here, as well as some retired. Tomica inside a blister pack is interesting, because it's only meant for the Japanese market, with a choice of a Tomica inside a blister pack or inside a box. I believe the blister pack is targeted more towards the kids, so that they can see what they are buying, instead of the illustration on the box. Many interesting casting here. There is a Ferrari casting, which is a Japan exclusive. The burger truck, which is welcomed by many kids and collectors. The new released Nissan 2020 model. The Toyota Century, which is welcomed by many collectors. It's interesting to note that the first color is only available for the box instead of the blister pack. A couple of Dream Tomica with the DeLorean and the R34 Fast and Furious. The blister pack Tomica here are definitely an eye-opener to share with all of you. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!